You come upon a temple to the mother of horses. As you attempt to enter it, 3 monsters burrow out of the ground and attack your party. Roll for initiative. Hello, adventurers! Today's DIY gift is for the gamers in your life. My sister and I have recently gotten our father into D&D. We got him dice, a D&D Beyond account, but we didn't get him a dice tray. That was a mistake we are rectifying today. Today's quest is to build our father a dice tray for Father's Day. That means, Dad, if you've made it this far before June 19th, please turn off this video so you don't ruin the surprise fully. Okay, our quest begins by going to Michael's for equipment. Items in hand, the dice tray and gems are handed off to Sister Dearest for embellishment, along with a last-minute purchase of a dice bag. With the feud going on between Her Royal Highness and the new Marquis, getting the dice tray back from my sister was a bit of a challenge. Yet, we managed to pull the exchange off, and I finished the last editions with utmost care, even with the Marquis attempting to sabotage my efforts. Now, all that's left is to deliver the dice tray and bag to our father. That should be easy, right? What do you think you're doing? Sabotaging my efforts, huh?